In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix Fortnite audio lag. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna present multiple options that you can follow to fix any issues attributed to audio giving you lag or not working on Fortnite. So, for the first options, all that you have to do is inside of the game, go over to the Start menu and click on the Settings. Inside of the settings, switch over to audio, and of course, make sure that the levels are set up properly. So make sure that main is not set to 0, and as long as these options here are not set to 0, you will be able to hear audio from the respective categories, such as music, sound effects, dialogue, and so on. With this out of the way, under the sound quality, make sure that it is set to high. It is going to tell you that it may decrease performance, but the performance hit is minimal, and it's always better to just leave it on high. These three settings here are personal preference, and the single most important setting is the audio output device. Usually when you connect speakers or headphones to your PC, Xbox, PlayStation, or Switch, they should be detected and they should appear here as default. If you do not see the audio output device that you want to use, then you will have to go to the settings of your device, go over to the audio settings of your console, and make sure that it gets detected from there. Sometimes it may get detected but the drivers weren't set up properly or they weren't activated, so just go over to the audio settings on your console and make sure that they are enabled in there. If you are doing this process on a PC and you notice that it doesn't appear here, then what you can do is go over to the Windows settings, go over to the sound settings, and then click on more sound settings after you scroll down. This will open up this little control panel settings window. Go over to the playback devices, and if you cannot find the speakers or headphones that you want to use, right-click anywhere, go to Show Disabled Devices and Disconnected Devices. Now you should be able to see it here. Right-click the device, enable the device, and set as default. If necessary, restart Fortnite, and it should appear under the list of available audio output devices. Select it manually and apply the changes. With this out of the way, you should be able to fix any issues attributed to lag or audio not working. If it still doesn't work, the last thing that I would recommend is that you right-click the Windows icon, go over to the Device Manager, and in here you will be able to find the audio inputs and outputs. Right-click the speakers or the headphones that you want to use and update their drivers. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix audio lag. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.